Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Dana.
And this is just one example of the OpenStudio laminate from FurnitureLab.
Come on, take a closer look. Discerning, design-minded decision makers can now take full control of their laminate surfaces. Give me a fun fact about OpenStudio laminates.
There are 77 different patterns. And counting! There's more on the way! We can mix any custom color to match your color scheme, but we also work with Pantone, Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore paints, and even higher ed school colors.
Any of the patterns can be scaled up or down to your liking.
Whoa.
Upon request, we can use Deluxe Laminate, anything in our Wood and Textures library, or anything from Wilsonart's virtual design library as your design's background.
And the best part is, you can design it on your phone with our app. Any pattern, any color. Been there for 12 days.
Oh.
On my phone.
Oh.
I have to leave it plugged in. My family hasn't seen me.
Oh. But you have a nice table, right?
I do.
10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
Furniture Lab.
Crafted to connect.